wanted to make this video so people like me can have an idea. I mean, this must be a really, really rare problem, but either way, I still want to show people. So my problem was I had a misfire in cylinder 6. I went through everything. I replaced the Vano solenoids. I cleaned out the filters. I even took out, you can see I removed right there the visa valve. I did everything. So last thing I had to do was take out the valve cover, see what's up in here, because the valve's so clean, it has good compression. And upon taking off removing, I spun the engine, and cylinder 6 exhaust valves do not open and close at all. And I see here that on cylinder 5 was like something overheated. I'm guessing that the camshaft must have snapped right there. I'm gonna remove this right now and find out what's underneath, and I'll make another video.